In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to alphabetize family names in Google Sheets on desktop. This is perfect when you're organizing a contact list, a class roster, or any spreadsheet where last names need to be in order. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick so you can follow along in your browser. Start by opening your Google Sheet and locating the column that contains the family names. Click the column letter at the very top to select the entire column that holds those names. You should see the whole column highlight. If there are any blank rows mixed in, that's okay. Google Sheets will still sort properly. Just make sure the column you select is the one with the family names you want to organize. Next, look at the menu bar across the top of Google Sheets and click the Data menu. This is where all the sorting and filtering tools live. From the list that opens, choose Sort Range. Sort Range tells Google Sheets to sort only the column or selection you've highlighted, rather than the entire sheet. That's helpful when you're focused on a single column of names and don't want to rearrange other columns. A small sorting window will appear. If your column includes a header at the top, like a label that says Family Name or Last Name, check the option that says Data has Header Row. This keeps that header in place and prevents it from getting mixed in with the names. If you don't have a label at the top and the column is just names, leave this unchecked. Now, click Sort A, Z. This arranges the names in ascending alphabetical order, starting from A and going down to Z. In most cases, Google Sheets sorts text alphabetically in a way that's not case-sensitive, so names like Anderson and Anderson will be grouped together correctly. If you use accented characters, Sheets will still sort them in standard alphabetical order based on language settings. As soon as you confirm, the column will update and the family names will be neatly ordered from A to Z. Scan the list to make sure everything looks right. If you used a header row option, your header should still be at the top, with the names sorted beneath it. That's the entire process, and it's the most reliable way to quickly organize a list of last names without changing your overall sheet structure. And that's how you alphabetize family names in Google Sheets on desktop.